Welcome and kuzuzangpu to everyone. In today's lesson, we will look at text path or how to write around any object. To begin, I have opened a photo of this lady. Firstly, go to select ribbon and choose subject. It will automatically select the girl in the photo. Now click on select, modify and then expand. Keep the value as 100 in this case. Again go to select, modify and then smooth. This time reduce the value to 40. After this, select the square selection tool and right click over the photo. Choose make work path and keep the tolerance level as 2. Finally, select the text tool and make necessary adjustments like font size and text color. Now click over any path and your text is ready to type around the subject. Type your desired text and click on tick. After this, click on selection tool and then you are done. That's all for today and do give a like, share.